gonna be okay. Your baby's in the box, Dada. Oh my goodness.
He's trying to get away through there.
Look,
oh,
Jude.
No.
Lucy.
No. He flew away.
He's just making sure everything's safe, okay?
No.
He's like, are we gonna get hurt if I feed him?
Please don't fly away that far. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I see the worm. It's like a centipede or something. Why is he going away from it?
I think the daddy is figuring out that the tree is down. So he's realizing what happened, maybe.
Oh, he's coming closer. He's coming closer. He's going. He's going. He is going.
Come on, Daddy.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
What if he goes in?
Oh,
No.
Daddy, come back.
Go back. What if he doesn't see?
He's just making sure he's safe.
What if he looks away then?
How precious is this? Come on. Feed him. Oh, he's trying to get the baby bird to come out, you think?
Yeah, but he can't. You want to help him? You want to get him or something?
No, I'm afraid if I go.
Go.
Yeah, he's trying to get the bird to come
Go,
out.
Daddy, go. You could cut a hole in it.
Mama!
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Dad, you want to see a bird?
Look!
He might bang
It's
the
a
window.
parrot and it's, it's the daddy weapon and it's trying to save it. But how?
Come on up, Jet. I'll let you up. Come on, climb up.
Where's the daddy parrot not, where's the daddy not feeding the baby?
Because he doesn't understand what's going on.
Please don't go far. Oh, Dad?
Yeah, Mommy. You got it, buddy?
Oh!
Mommy, hold you. Look, hold on to this.
Come on. Oh, the baby's scratching itself.
There we go.
He went in.
He went in. Yay. He's like, my daddy saved me.
And it's out of his mouth.
Oh, he's trying to teach him to come out, Jude. How sweet.
That was so cute. Mama.
Oh my goodness. Good job, Daddy. They are smart, aren't they, Jude?
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
You want to get him out and give it to the bird?
Buddy, I'm afraid to be honest.
Mom.
Jet, you're making videoing kind of hard there, bud.
It's so precious. Mommy, I was of that baby
Look
bird.
at Mama. Look.
Yes.
Hang on.
Yes. Going.
Well, he fed it, so it's gotten some nutrition. That was my main concern.
Come on, baby.
And the daddy sees it and knows he's safe and alive.